Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about daily routines, habits and facts. Let's get started. We use the simple present tense for things we do every day. For example, I wake up early, I go to school, I drink milk in the morning. These actions happen every day. Let's look at positive sentences. I play football, you like music, we watch TV. They read books. But for he, she, and it, we add s. He plays football. She likes music. It eats food. This is very important. He, she, it, verb plus s. Now let's make negative sentences. I do not like milk. You do not play chess. We do not watch TV. For he, she, it, we use does not. He does not like milk. She does not play chess. Remember, after does not, the verb is simple. Let's ask questions. Do you like English? Do they play football? For he, she, it, we use does. Does he like English? Does she play football? Very easy. Let's listen to a short dialogue. Ozzy, do you like English? Liluz, yes, I do. Ozzy, does your friend like English? Liluz, yes, he does. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons.